Why common advice is killing your momentum. You've heard the common advice, make sure there's interest before you build it. But that advice might be the very reason you're not implementing anything. It's killing your momentum because it doesn't fit you. You try to follow the rules, post first, see if there's interest, then build something. But every time, you stall because you've got nothing tangible to invite them to. No product, no event, no asset, so your idea fizzles out. This isn't a discipline problem, it's not procrastination. You're not just a marketer, you're a builder, a visual thinker. You need to see the thing, even if it's messy, before you can run with it. What you need is an anchor, a simple video, a one-page workbook, a 60-second preview, something real, something you can point to and say, hey, check this out. Define the offer, rough is fine. Create the anchor, video, PDF, mockup. Post using the bypass method or vault strategy. DM and engage with confidence. Improve the offer as real feedback rolls in. You don't need 100 slides. You need one thing to show. For creators like you, the unfinished post isn't failure. It's your brain saying, I need something solid to believe in. Flip the script, start with the asset, then build the buzz. That's how you finish.